FEC's 101 here at Main Street after the meet in Palm Bay. Here the little sensors go off and the tracks for the Main Street crossing signals to go off. There we go, showtime! Hehehe, what a joyous type of sound. And here comes our show, hauling around the corner, with a 100 leading, yellow and blue. Sounds like 101 on lead. Hey, 101 and 103 in the 713. How about that? Woo! Nice looking train. There goes the EOT. And there goes the gates. Going up. Ooh. Bell is ringing loud and letting everybody know, hey, train's coming through. You can still hear the little electric sizzle to the tracks. The current EOT at 557. It's Baby T609 here near Main Street on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew. 202, ECH and Jim, and 101. Look, listen, and live. Out.